Hello everybody, in this video we show how to set up an LG soundbar via the Google Home app. Depending on the model of your soundbar, the Google Home app is required to connect the soundbar to your Wi-Fi network and enable the built-in Google Assistant. This setup is also required to enable the soundbar's Bluetooth function. To start, first make sure the soundbar is switched on. If your soundbar has been connected before, but you want to start from scratch, reset the soundbar by holding the microphone button until you hear a beep sound. The soundbar will then reset back to the default settings. On your mobile device, you need the latest version of the Google Home app. Open the Google Home app and press the Add button here. Select Setup Device and select New Device. We already configured a home, so we will select this one. The Google Home app is now searching for nearby devices. If the soundbar is not found and you are using an Apple iOS device, make sure Bluetooth is switched on. If you are using an Android device, make sure location permissions are allowed for the Google Home app. Here we can see our soundbar and select it. The app is now connecting to the soundbar. And we can hear the sound, so we select yes. We will skip this option for now. We can choose a location for the soundbar. And now we can choose to which Wi-Fi network the soundbar has to connect. Be aware that the soundbar must be connected to the same network as your mobile device. The soundbar is connecting to the Wi-Fi network. And now it is connected. We can choose the default music service. Let's leave it on YouTube Music for now. We will skip this option. Also we skip this option. And also we don't need this now. We can see an overview of what we have set up. Now the soundbar is ready to use.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant.
We can see it here in the home screen of the Google Home app. We can control the volume. And if we go to the settings, we can change the device name or remove the device if needed. This is how you can set up the soundbar via the Google Home app. For more help, contact your local LG help desk.